Bought this at a garage sale, and it comes with a mirror, a really big mirror. It's in decent condition. We got to replace the top and the handles, and we're going to paint it, and we're going to start with the mirror. This is going to take a while, so we're doing the mirror right now. I'll show you. This is the mirror that goes with it. We got to clean it off. First we're going to cover the mirror, tape it with plastic and stuff, clean it off and paint it. And we're going to do the same thing, use the same colors and do the same thing we did with our last Ottoman build, the gray with gray stain. I think it'll look really cool. Just taped a piece of a trash bag to it. And I know it's pretty easy to scrape paint off of a mirror, but we didn't want to deal with doing a ton of it because I'm going to be spray primering this, and that would have gotten all over. Do you have that little brush still? The stain. We're going to do 2 coats. We're painting this with brushes, and we're painting it Popular Gray from Sherwin-Williams. First coat's done. I think we'll do one more, at least one more, maybe 2 more coats.
Even if it wasn't gray, this color is really pretty.
We're using Varathane carbon gray wood stain for this process. The battery died. We're going to put 3 coats of this on it to protect it. Alright, the mirror is all finished. Some razor blade cleanup here and there, but to get some of this tape off, but it's mostly done. Alright, stay tuned sometime in the near future for the dresser that goes with this. Thanks for watching.